It only takes 4 ingredients and just a few minutes to make this delicious tart lemon curd. It makes the perfect filling for cakes, cookies and tarts, and you can even swirl it into buttercream. My favorite is a yellow cake with lemon curd filling and marshmallow frosting. To a medium saucepan, add 3/4 cup granulated sugar. Add 6 large egg yolks and stir together well. And at this point, I still haven't turned the cooktop on. Lemon curd also pairs well with 7-minute frosting. Let me know if you'd like to see my recipe and I'll make a video. Next, add 1/2 cup of lemon juice. I'm using fresh lemon juice, but if you can't find any lemons, you can always just use bottled juice. Make sure all your ingredients are mixed together well and turn your cooktop on to medium heat. Once the mixture begins to bubble, set a timer for about 7 minutes. You'll want to cook this for at least 5 to 7 minutes until it begins to thicken, and make sure to whisk constantly. Depending on your cooktop, you may have to lower the heat just a little bit. If your lemon curd begins to boil a little too much, like you see here, just lift the pan off of the cooktop a couple of inches, continue to whisk, allow your cooktop to cool down a bit, and place it back down on the stove, whisking constantly. We've almost reached the 7-minute mark. You'll notice the sound begins to change, the lemon curd looks just slightly darker, and it begins to thicken. This looks just right. Remove from the heat and we'll add the last ingredient. Add 1 stick of salted butter, and if you're using unsalted butter, just add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix the butter in well. It may take a minute or two, just let it melt and keep mixing. This next step will ensure a silky smooth lemon curd. Strain into a bowl, allow it to cool for a minute or two, cover and chill until ready to use. You can use your whisk to push the lemon curd through the strainer. I'll include links for all of my favorite kitchen tools below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll leave a link for my desserts playlist below. Give your lemon curd a quick stir. Make sure all the melted butter is mixed in well. Cover and refrigerate until you're ready to use. The lemon curd looks really thin right now, but after it chills, it really does thicken up quite a bit. After chilling, you'll have this beautiful, thick, luscious lemon curd ready for your cake. Visit my website at doublestopbakeshop.com for baking tips, videos, and more recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.